Hello students. So today in this lecture we will try to draw this shape, right? So this is a mechanical element. We will try to draw this one in 2D using AutoCAD, right? So as always we will first try to trace our steps, try to plan our steps. How would we draw this one, right? So first of all we can see there is one circle, two circle, this is one circle, this is two circle, and there is three circles. So first of all, I can just draw this axis, then one, two, and three circles. After that, I will take this center and I will draw two more circles, right? Afterwards, I will just fillet this one and this circle and this circle using a radius of 9 units, right? Once these things are done, I will from here I will draw a straight line and then I will just trim out the extra part of this main circle, right? After that, with this circle, this is the part of this circle, right? So with this circle I will do fillet with this one, right? So before we I do this fillet, I will have to draw this circle as well, and for that I have to take this position as well. Once I draw this circle will be like this. Once I draw this circle, I will just do fillet with this, right? This circle and this circle will have a fillet with radius 46. After that, I will draw a tangent line from this circle to this circle. This line will be drawn. Then I can do another fillet or just tangent radius to draw out this part, and the remaining extra parts will be deleted. Right. So this will be my work for today. Let's just start. First of all, I will draw a center. Right. So let's just take a line L from here to switch on the F8 ortho on, switch on the ortho. So okay, so this should be more than 90, right? So let's just start with center only. Let's just start with center only. See, enter. It is not snapping, so start F3 so that it snaps. It's still not snapping. Just check whether all of them are selected or not. Yes, all of them are selected. Okay, start with 0, comma 0. 0, comma 0. Enter, right? So the radius of the circle should be how much? First of all, that should be 40. Enter, right? Then again, I will take another circle. The radius of the circle would be how much? 19, right? So this much is done. After that, there will be another circle. The radius is 48. Again, from here, the radius is 40. This much has been done, right? So, okay. So from here, I want to take this circle, right? So this is how this is 45 mm away, right? So I can take just another circle and bigger escape. I can just take another circle, and the coordinate for the circle would be how much? See, this is the coordinate for the center is minus 40 in the x-axis and 0 in the y-axis, right? So minus 40, comma 0. Enter. So I am getting circle for this one, right? This circle. And sorry, not 40. This should have been 45. Escape. Again, C, enter. Minus 45, comma 0, right? Enter. Now, the radius of the circle is how much? One is 20. You can see over here, the diameter is 20 for the smaller one and the radius is 20 for the bigger one. So let's just go with 20 first, enter. Then again, I will take this circle and here it will be 10, right? Clear, right? This much has been done. Now let's just draw this circle. Okay, let me take it into the frame. Okay. So let's just draw this circle. Here also the coordinate would be how much? 90 in y. So and 0 in x, right? So 0 comma minus 90 should be the coordinate for the center of this circle, right? So just go with the 0 comma minus 90 enter. So I am getting this circle. There are two circles. One has radius 20, one has radius 10. I will go with radius 20 first. Then again enter. From here I will go with radius 10. Enter, right? So this much has been completed. Now Now I can just first draw this tangent to tangent line. So I will go for with L command, L for line. I will try shift, enter. Then I will just snap this tangent and again shift, enter. I will snap. tangent only. And you can click anywhere on the curve, it will snap tangent only, right? Okay, so this has become my tangent to tangent curve, tangent to tangent line. After that, I need this fillet, right? So F for fillet, F enter. The radius has to be given first. R for radius, R enter. So the radius is how much? 26. So I'm giving 26, enter. With this to this, right? So I have got it, this curve as well. After that, I did another curvature from here to here, right? Now, point has to be remembered. The fillet will be with this half to this half and not the other way around. If you just divide the whole circle in four parts, quarter one, quarter two, quarter three, quarter four. Also, this circle with quarter one, quarter two, quarter three, quarter four, you will see that the fillet, the curvature is connected with quarter one over here and with quarter four over here. So I have to make sure that I click on quarter one on this circle and quarter four on this circle, so that my curve is convergent. The center of the curve is in this side, right? If I do not do that, if I just click on quarter four over here and quarter one over here, then it will be diverted. That means the curve will be like this. Okay, so I have to click over here, I mean this quarter and this quarter, to make sure that the curve is like this. All right, so let's just try to do that. Okay, so again select enter. Radius would be R, enter. The radius is how much? 98, right? Enter. I have to click on this quarter, and on this quarter it should be like this. I don't know why it is not being like this. Okay, so if it is not happening, again let me just try. F enter, R enter. Instead of 98, let me write minus 98. Now let's see what happens. So that only 98, enter. Now I can click on here and then here. Okay, then also it's not happening. There has to be some problem. Okay, this is a tricky. Okay. Again, let's just take an R. Okay, so just go for tangent tangent radius, right? If that doesn't work, go for tangent tangent radius. Circle, C for circle, enter. Go with TTR. TTR means tangent tangent radius, enter. Now I want to have a tangent over here. So shift tangent over here, on any point. Again, here also shift, right click, tangent, click on here, and then the radius will be what? 98, enter. So I will get my circle, right? And the remaining part can be what? The remaining part of the circle can be just eliminated. So that is what I'm gonna do. TR, enter. I will trim this much. Let's just see whether it is there or not. If it is there, okay. Now also we have done this much. Now this fillet remains, right? So just go here and do a fillet. F enter, R enter. The radius is 9. N enter. 9 enters. So this and this, right? This fillet has been done. And there is one more thing that remains. That is from here to here there will be a straight line. So just go with a line. L enter. The midpoint of this would be this, right? From here to here. The F8 is on. The F8 is on. Again, I'm repeating the F8 is on. This much has been done. Enter. So this has been done, right? After this is done, we can just trim out the extra parts like this. TR double enter for trim. This much, this much, this is not needed, this is not needed, this is not needed either. Now this is not needed, this is not needed either. This has to be deleted. This won't be fixed. And here this much is not needed, right? So and here this much is not needed. So this will be my whole part. Now again, one thing has to be used, that is this much has to be used. Okay? Right? So this is my whole component, right? So that is how you can draw a form. Alright. Now I can just take that and move it over here. I have to just move it over here, and this will be my component, right? This is my layout. one. I can click on the create to go to module, to go to create, and go to layout one. And layout two. So this would be my model, right? Clear? How to draw it? Alright. So that's it for today's class. Thank you.